Sir, can you help me? It's cold and I'm nowhere to sleep. Is there somewhere you can tell me? He walks on, doesn't look back. He pretends he can't hear her. Starts to whistle as he crosses the street. Seems embarrassed to be there. Oh, think twice, 'cause it's another day for you and me in paradise. Oh, think twice, 'cause it's another day for you and me in paradise. Think about it. She calls out to the man on the street.
45 liters rear box or top box dahil walang lagayan ng helmet at nilagyan na rin natin ng sticker natin guys, Campers Motovlog. So this is the Yamaha Exciter or Sniper sa Pinas. Dito sa Thailand is Exciter 155, pero ang ganda ng takbo guys.